Always put a good base under pavers, even if the ground looks okay. It helps prevent weeds too. Cutting curved shapes in porcelain tiles with a small grinder is tricky. It takes practice and patience. Want to make your own concrete pavers? Try using stencils. It's a fun and easy project that can save you money. You'll get nice looking pavers without spending too much time or effort. Plus, they'll all match perfectly. It's a great way to spruce up your yard or patio without breaking the bank. Just remember to wear gloves when working with concrete. Creating patterns with cobblestones can really make a driveway or patio stand out. It's not as hard as it looks. Start by drawing your design on the ground, then lay out the stones dry first to see how they fit. You might need to cut some stones to get the right shape. Take your time and be patient. It's like doing a big puzzle. When you're happy with the layout, start cementing them in place. Building retaining walls with reinforced earth is a smart choice. It's faster than traditional methods and can handle heavy loads. Always check local rules before starting your project. Let's talk about making your outdoor space awesome with pavers. It's a fun project you can do yourself. First, think about what you want. A patio for barbecues, a pretty walkway. Once you've got a plan, pick your pavers. There are tons of colors and styles to choose from. Now, the tricky part is getting the ground ready. It needs to be flat and firm. You might want to ask a friend to help with this part. It's a bit of work, but it's worth it. Laying the pavers is like putting together a big puzzle. Take your time and make sure everything lines up. When you're done, sweep some sand between the cracks to keep them in place. Want your concrete to look nice and last longer? Try using an edging tool. It smooths the corners, making them less likely to chip. Plus, it gives your project a clean, finished look. Remember to clean your tools right after use. This roofer shares his clever method for sealing around pipes. It's simpler than you'd think. DURLOCK's new ceiling is both sound-absorbing and easy to take down. It uses metal frames to hold plasterboard. This method, called dry lining, is great for making walls and ceilings inside buildings. You'll need to drill a lot when putting it up. These ceilings look smooth and neat, and they make rooms more comfortable. Dry lining is faster and cleaner than traditional plastering, and it's easier to add insulation or run wires behind it. Use a diamond blade to cut pavers easily. Other blades can work, but may break faster. Here's a new take on concrete countertops, the latest trend in home design. To make one, start by building a wood mold around your counter. Cover it with waterproofing and chicken wire mesh. Next, carefully pour in the concrete and level it out. Let it dry overnight. In the morning, remove the frame, sand the surface, and apply your chosen finish. Epoxy floors are strong, cheap, and easy to put down yourself, making them great for garages or basements. They also help prevent slips.